My mum crashed a car one day and took it up to the workshop and asked if I could start working there, and they set me on. Funny story. You've got to be a little bit hard to cope in the workshop, but it is a nice environment to work in. I do like the men that I work with as well, because we get on really well and we all work as a good team. They will help if you've got any issues. You just go and speak to the managers and they'll help you in any direction that you need to go in. I like working at AW. They are very family orientated. I go in a little bit later in the morning and go a little bit early at night because of the children, and AW are happy for you to do that, so they are flexible with their hours. And that's not just for me, that's for everybody there. I think it's a good career for people, well, especially for women, because there's not many in the trade. It's different because I'm a girl, and when people ask you what you do for a living and you come out with that you're a paint sprayer, nobody expects it. Yeah, I do love doing my job.